Okay, this is Sydney, okay, from MOREONYX. In the front of you is our worker install this backlit agate, green agate, okay. So in this video, Sydney will show you how we install the backlit green agate in the work site. Actually, it's very simple and very easy and very fast. This tool is very necessary. It's very easy to buy in the local shop, tool shop. We use this tool just like to push these two slabs. Like this. It's very easy. It's very easy to move each slab. Just like this. Yeah. The bottom is our LED system. Okay, so in our product, the surface, the first layer is our green agate backlit, and the second layer is the LED system. These two parts are separate, and all are customer side. As to the surface, we have so many different colors. So about the more details, you are welcome to our website. And the first layer, the customer side LED, we can produce according to your size. Any size, any shape, any size is okay. So this is a very simple, faster installation for you. Hope this video can help you. Once you have the requirements about how to install agate products in your floor, on the wall, on the countertop, or anywhere as you like. Okay, welcome to follow our YouTube channel.